Let's pack a 3-scoops order for Emerson. Only 2 ultra rare items. I'm gonna add one for her. She doesn't want phone chains and love squishes, so let's adjust the beads. Gift is a cute puppy. 2 silicone squishies. 1 beaded pen. 1 cute pen. 2 sticky notes. 2 highlighters. She didn't get any sticker this time, so I'll replace 1 highlighter with sticker. 5 bookmarks, a little too much. I replaced one with mini notebook. 4 bracelets. Nine mini squishies. This one looks like real candy, so I'm going to add a warning here. 1 claw clip. 1 bag charm. 4 decode and clips. 1 ring. 3 mini bags. 2 keychain sets. Freebie is a scrunchie. Thank you so much.